Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, it's a little different from the other videos that I have posted, but we're here with a Sunday reset video. I always wanted to do these type of videos because it just gives vibes. But yeah, as you can tell by the title, we're gonna run a couple errands. We're gonna run to Target, maybe TJ Maxx, Starbucks. I'm trying to cut out Starbucks because, like, y'all, I go to Starbucks so much. Like, the last two videos, because the other video was a skin routine, I was at Starbucks like 3 times in videos. Like, I really have to chill out with Starbucks, but Starbucks has my heart, and period. But yeah, we're gonna go to TJ Maxx. I want to go to TJ Maxx because I want to get like some candles, and they have some good planners, and maybe just look around. What else? Oh yeah, Target. I have to get a lot. I have to re-up on my hygiene products. I'm running out, so we're gonna go to Target. And I'll just look around. I like looking around in Target. Target also has my heart. Yeah. And what else I was gonna go out and get something to eat and like do the little like go out to eat by myself type of thing today. But today is Sunday and I think it's like 2:30. But today is Super Bowl Sunday, and so my mom is like making something. We're gonna have like finger foods, wings. Wings is my favorite. If y'all don't know, wings is my favorite type of food. Like, I love wings. But so yeah, I'm not gonna save my money, not gonna go out to eat or whatnot. But I have to get a lot of stuff from Target, TJ Maxx, and I also have to go to Kohl's to take back my Amazon package. But yeah, speaking of Amazon, do y'all like this hat? I got it from Amazon. It's a beanie. So cute. It took a while to get to me though. I think it took like a month. But it's still cute. We got it now. So yeah. But yeah, so I literally just got done getting ready. And so now I am going to put my shoes on. And we're gonna head out. I'm gonna show y'all my fit. Y'all know I always do a fit check before I leave the house. But yeah, so I'm gonna put my shoes on real quick, get my bag together, get my return stuff together, and then I'm gonna show you my fit before I head out and go run these errands. Yeah. Okay, so I know I said I was gonna like show y'all, but look at my bed. Like, I don't even show y'all my bed for real, but she looks a mess. All of this, she looks a mess. So I'm gonna clean her up first, and then we're gonna leave. All right, so I'm done cleaning up my room. I made my bed up real quick. Looks more decent. I don't know why it's not focusing. Here we go. Looks more decent. Look more neater. All of that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go. I don't know which purse I'm going to wear. So that's what I have on. Don't look at my desk because it looks very okay. So I have my beanie on. I have my pretty little thing jumpsuit. It has this puffer jacket. Uggs. I don't know what purse to wear with it. I want to wear my tote bag or my snapshot. What y'all think? I mean, y'all can't tell me anyways, but I think I'm gonna go with this. We'll look in the mirror. I think I'm going with the tote bag. Or, hold on, let me show y'all. She is so dirty. I like this one because, but then the tote bag. Oh, I like this. I like this one really bad. But my tote bag, I can put more things in there. We're on the tote bag. Even though this one looks really cute, like I'm really loving this one, but it's about what I can fit in here. Y'all, I just be like literally trading out. Stuff is all in there. I recently on my Instagram. Okay. Alright. So we're ready to go. Okay, anything else in here? Okay. So the perfume I think I'm gonna go with, it's very messy, y'all. It's not neat at all. I think I'm gonna go with my Chanel. This one. This one. Yeah. Y'all, I noticed I be posing a lot in my videos, but let's go. Y'all, I haven't even left yet. It's 3:39, but I'm gonna leave right now. I just caught the light. Like, I wanted to take a couple pictures because my background looked really cute, but yeah. So now we're gonna really leave. I apologize, but we're gonna leave, and yeah, I just really want to take pictures. Like, it'd be hard for me to take pictures for real. Like, I can't. I mean, I can take pictures, but I'm just saying, like, a good picture and a good scenery is very hard to find. What is that? Glue again. But yeah, like, pretty much. But I'm ready now. I got my tripod. I need to get my car tripod. Is that not in here? Oh, it's up there. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get in the car. I'm in the car, y'all, but I didn't even get to show y'all my new car. Like, she is so cute, and y'all see that? Those little flowers for decorations. But I'm gonna show y'all her real quick. She's white, and her name is Icy. Look at my baby. She is so cute. Yeah, she's really cute. And she's so clean. Like, don't look at the seat. Like, yeah, I sit up all the way high. She is so cute. And then, like, when I get in the car, she welcomed me. Aww. Nah. But yeah, she real clean. She real clean. See, this camera is finna piss me off because why is you not focusing? Her. Okay. Anyways, I'm turning it down for a minute. So I'm gonna set up my car tripod real quick that I got from Amazon. So I just can't believe my tote bag is this dirty. What do y'all do to clean your tote bags? Like, I just want to know, because my tote bag is so dirty. Is it focusing? Yeah. Like, girl, why is you so dirty? I think I'm gonna get me a little kids meal from Zaxby's, because y'all, I'm really hungry. I don't want to get nothing too big, but like, I want something like to hold me over. Like, I obviously can't put y'all anywhere but down here. But we're gonna set this tripod up real quick because I got my regular tripod. I need another tripod as well. That's another reason why I'm going to Target, but I'm not really, but really. But yeah, go back and lock the door. Did I bring it? Oh my god, I didn't even bring it. Where was it? Because it was not where I put it at. All right, y'all, so I gotta go look in the house and get the car tripod, so I'll be back. Y'all, this is, I don't know what to do with this. Like, I'm like a little confused. Like, what? Not me trying to look up YouTube. Really getting irritated, and I'm about to say, like, I'm just gonna put y'all right here. So we're gonna stretch out not Target. We're gonna stretch out Starbucks because I'm really hungry. We're growing on here, and I love to say it for all my new subscribers. Hey, y'all would love it here. Just let y'all know y'all would love it here. Just you know. But okay. So we finna go ahead and go. I'm finna like I said, we're gonna cut out Starbucks and we're going to go to Zaxby's. Remember I said I was gonna save my money? I don't do a good job of saving my money, but it's okay. I'm really hungry. I'm really about to like, I need to go back in there because I don't know if I told you. I told y'all in my last vlog that I went to the dentist to go get my root canal like filled in, and I gotta take my medicine so my face won't swell up. Thank God that it didn't swell up. Like, I'm so happy, y'all. Y'all don't understand. Go in there and get my antibiotic, and because I need to take it while I'm eating. Very hungry. So we're gonna cut out Starbucks just because I'm hungry right now. But let me do this one. Her freaking skin is breaking out. Y'all just don't understand. Like, I hate that so bad. Like, when I'm doing a video, I want my skin to be clear. The quality is definitely giving. Let me go get my medicine. Where's Zaxby's? Let me turn this down. Kids, come on. Let me see.
Okay.
And that'll be all.
561.
So yeah, I just got me a little kids meal. I'm just kind of like mad at my trip up, but I didn't really try it. But I also didn't bring all of the things that come with it. I say a lot in my videos. I say basically a lot. I say basically a lot. I say a lot. I say like a lot. I say but a lot. I say all of those things a lot. Starving at this point. I haven't even ate. That's so bad. What's it called? I was gonna say clickbait, but not clickbait. Thumbnail. No, all the way over there. Okay. But yeah, we just waiting. It's kind of in line. There's 2 people in front of me though. Yeah. So usually I have my homework done. Well, no. I'm gonna be real with y'all. Like, I usually don't have my homework done. I usually do it the day of, which is due Sunday. But just because I was gonna be vlogging today, I knew I was gonna have a busy weekend, so I got that thing done Thursday. I got it done Thursday, and I'm so proud of myself, and it feels so good to do that. So I'm gonna start doing that more often, even though I should be doing it already. But yeah, we just in a line. I'm just gonna like talk to y'all whenever I get my food or finish eating. Y'all, the line is finally moving. Like, I've been here like sitting for like 10 minutes already. I'm so hungry. Like, why are y'all taking so long? It's 4:10 now. And I'm just waiting to eat my food real quick so I can go ahead and go to Target, take the stuff bag. I may take my stuff bag first and then go to Target. But yeah. So yeah, I got my kids meal. Like, I hate getting kids meals because like it made me feel like I told them to put seasoning on my fries and they didn't. In here, I'm just eating in the parking lot because I'm so hungry. And it's only like 2 scripts and fries. I'm gonna eat this real quick and then I'm gonna head over to Kohl's first. So I'm gonna talk to y'all then. Okay y'all, so I'm here at Kohl's. Everybody in my face over here, I don't know why, but okay, so I gotta take in both of these bags. So I just gotta find on my orders. I hear the booty Judy. Do y'all be adding comments or y'all just hit continue? It's optional, but sometimes I be wanting to let y'all know, like, you know, what to do and what not to do. Like, I don't know, like, what am I talking about? Okay, but I be adding the comments just to, like, let y'all know, like, on the website, that material do not look like what I received, okay? I'm extra. I'm also an extra person, so, yep. Here. Your return code is ready. I'm not bringing y'all in here because it's kind of like a quick process. I don't even bring my purse if we're being for real. So I just talk to y'all whenever I get in the car or on the way to Target. Okay y'all, I'm back in the car and now it was a quick process. Anyways, on the way, I'm gonna be on the way to Target. It's 4:49. The plan was not to start the video late like this. Well, I didn't really start it late. I kind of started around 2, but I mean, it's okay. So yeah, I'm gonna be on my way to Target and yeah, we gotta get a lot of products, hygiene products. I was gonna make me a list, but I was like, you know, I was kind of rushing. I'm not gonna even sit up here in front. I was rushing. So yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to Target. Alright y'all, so we at Target right now. We just got here. It's packed. It's so packed. Like, I don't know what's going on, but it's packed in here. For sure. But yeah. So you go in here. We gotta like really like, I just put my regular shark on and it's really good. So yeah, it's hit 5 o'clock. So yeah, I mean, I could say we on good timing, but I can't really say that because it's getting late, like definitely getting late. I want to ask my mom where she at. Hold on y'all.
Picking up some finished dip. Okay, bye.
Bye. All right, so she at home. I know she wanted to go to Target with me, but yeah, so we're gonna go. I'm going in here to Target. Oh, they have these cute little tops. I got a white one and I also have a black one. What's the gray one? I think I'm gonna get one. Yeah. I like this, so I think I'm gonna buy this one. pretty. Cute. It's so small. Really a lot of people here. It is, but it's not. Show y'all what I wanted. I love vanilla. I want it. Don't need it. No, I don't need it. Okay, so they must. Oh, here it goes. This. This stuff smells so good. But I'm still on my vanilla one. I'm waiting on it. I'm waiting to this to get out so I can buy this. So we'll come back for you. People, all them cars in the parking lot. I don't see anyone. Favorite owl, exfoliating. I love this owl. This is what I usually get. I usually get, wait, I'm on the way for it. I usually get Dove products. But, oh y'all, this right here. So good. Did y'all see it? So good. But now I'm on Method Body. Not with AMT&T no more. I'm with, oh, I'm not with Metro anymore. I am with AMT&T. So, oh, they don't have it. They're all out. I get coconut. This is coconut and rice milk. Oh, this is energy boost. Oh, that's not good. What is it? Skincare and give me a pimple patcher. I feel like I'm so low. Can y'all hear me? I usually get the blue one. Y'all can't even see. Like, this camera's gonna be down. But I think I'm gonna try the pink one. Y'all can't even see it. Y'all, tell you on my phone. I can't about it now.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me.
I'm at home, y'all, and my freaking camera died. Like, I don't understand why it died because I literally charged it, so I don't know why it did that. But I'm at home now. After I left Target, I just went straight home, came home. My skin is working out so bad. I went straight home, so it's now 6:24, and right now I am just, while I'm letting this battery charge for a minute, I am just editing these, just editing my thumbnail real quick so I get that out the way. So yeah, it had died, but yeah, I'm gonna talk back with y'all whenever I get done editing this, and I'm just really waiting for this battery to charge for real. So yeah, hey y'all, so I am back, and I done already let my camera charge. It's later now. I think it's like around 11 o'clock. It just hit 11 o'clock. But I didn't really do much in this video that I planned to do. I was supposed to go to TJ Maxx. I think that was the only store that I told y'all I was going to go. TJ Maxx. Yeah, that was about it. But I didn't get to do that. It started raining. My camera had died. My battery died. So I couldn't really do that. So I cut it short and just went home after Target. I tapped in with y'all after Target, after me being at home. And I was just saying, I'm letting my battery charge up. And while I was doing that, I was just really editing the clips already. So I wouldn't have to do that later. Because I always like wait later to do it. I can go ahead and start, you know, editing. So that was what I was doing. So now I'm finna unwind, get ready for bed. It's like 11, maybe 11:30. I don't know yet. What time is it?
It's 11:24 p.m.
Okay, so it's 11:24. So I have class tomorrow. So I'm going ahead and you know, unwind for tonight and just take it in. I'm really tired. I was really getting tired around 8 o'clock. Can y'all believe it? I was getting very sleepy. I was trying not to like take it in early. But I had to finish this video for you guys. But I'm just going to unwind with y'all. Y'all going to unwind with... Well, actually, you guys are going to unwind with me. And I'm just going to get the vibes. And let y'all see what I do to unwind for the next morning for school. I don't want to go tomorrow. But it's life. Yeah. But yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys to unwind with me. Just stay tuned, and I'm going ahead and, you know, let's get the vibes going. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so before I unwind, I'm gonna show y'all like what. Hold on. So far, and when I tell y'all CapCut is like so. Can you focus, please? Okay. So I got all of this done. That's majority of my vlog. All I gotta do is just edit me going to, you know, the rest of this vlog, basically. And I was supposed to show y'all this. My dress. It's getting too late. Y'all think it's getting too late? It's like 11. I want to try this on for you guys real quick. I think I am. Very long. And it's so soft. I can't wait to wear this like in the spring, summertime.
Tell me what you see in me.
Okay, y'all, so I'm just not getting out of the shower, but like I told y'all in the video, my skin is breaking out really bad. So what I use instead of the CeraVe cleanser, I use Penoxyl.
I don't wanna slide.